can say definitively about Russian.
What the heck? What is that?
I don't know. Let's see what it says.
What the heck?
Look at that. What?
This message is transmitted at the request of the United States Office of Civil Defense. It detected a long-range nuclear missile launch in North Korea. This missile is believed to be headed in the direction of the Los Angeles metropolitan area. It is believed that it will impact this area within the next 1.5 to 2 hours. All residents within a 400-mile radius of this area should seek a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. Fallout spreads across large areas approximately 1 minute after impact. If you cannot find a fallout shelter in your area, local authorities will lead you to take a battery-powered radio and all essential supplies with you to the fallout shelter.
We are watching a TV show.
7:70 a.m. on your radio for emergency information while in the fallout shelter. Sheltering in place is not advised.
We were watching that movie where the guy eats all the
scenario. President Obama will be speaking on all television and radio stations shortly. All television and radio stations in the United States will now cease their regular programming to carry this special message from the President and to report on the news of this incident.
What should we do?
Well, if they're fine, well, we ought to be blasting the pile of them back.
What?
Because North Korea is not that cool. They can't get one over here this far. They can get it to California.
Yeah.
That is, I've never seen it. It's kind of scary, isn't it?
Yeah.
This message is transmitted